Hi, my name is Connor Garrison, and in the spring of 2023, I participated in the TEF1 co-op with Bosch Rexroth in Charlotte, North Carolina. I worked for the Technical Engineering Functions team at the Charlotte plant under Mike Tyner. This was my first co-op rotation, and it gave me a strong foundation for working in a manufacturing environment as an engineer. My first project at Bosch was the system design and implementation of a new dot peen marker, which marks serial numbers and logos into production parts. I had to program the equipment, design a safety cage with light curtains, which are a safety device that register when an object is passed between two infrared beams, and then wire those light curtains to a safety relay, which then connected to the marking equipment to stop the actuators as a safety measure. Additionally, I designed custom fixtures for different production parts to significantly reduce changeover time between different runs of parts. This is an ongoing project and is set for release in the near future. My second project was planning multiple large machine moves and installations, including a Kira brand horizontal milling center and the removal of old machinery, including a vertical mill and several hydraulic presses. I worked with our health and safety department at Bosch to ensure that all of our regulations were being followed regarding safe transport of the machines inside the plant. I also coordinated all this with the rigging team regarding the machine routes and timing. Additionally, I assisted heavily in the preparation and the testing of the horizontal milling center before it was moved to our facility. My third project was an introduction to Bosch Production Systems, or BPS, which is our production standard governing all 5S and continuous improvement process initiatives. This was broken down into numerous sub-projects, which required self-initiative to identify and implement. The main part of this was the restructuring of material flow for our linear rail line to provide room for the horizontal milling center mentioned earlier. My fourth and final main project was preparing safety and quality data for our Q1 System CIP workshop, which is designed to be a regular workshop to identify key improvement metrics and weak points in our facility. I prepared the data with our enterprise data software and formatted it for easy accessibility. From my work at Bosch, there were three main areas where a return on investment was identified by my supervisor. First, my work led to numerous design enhancements and an additional technical capacity for several different machines and production lines, and this will have a long-term impact on the efficiency of the plant. Second, I implemented several solutions to ergonomic problems, which will both make for a safer and more sustainable working environment, as well as save time lost on inefficient production. Finally, and most importantly, I planned and managed different safety initiatives. Working in manufacturing is a potentially dangerous environment by nature, and so we strive at Bosch to continually prevent dangerous situations. A couple of small safety-related projects that I participated in were the elimination of a pinch point in regards to a conveyor belt, as well as eliminating any potential pinch points with the dot peen marker project that I oversaw. In many ways, I was thrown into the deep end of manufacturing engineering to learn how to swim. As a result, I feel very comfortable now with this environment, though it was quite a challenge at first, and I feel very comfortable with the related duties now. I also feel confident in my abilities as an engineer on the whole after this experience. This past semester, I saw growth in three particular areas that will serve me well in my career as an engineer. First, I mastered the iterative design process, as I had to continually go through the design and testing cycle to improve solutions so that they were the most beneficial solutions possible. Second, I took an interest in controls engineering, especially regarding safety controls and software integration into more complex solutions. This is something that I'm continuing to develop in my next rotation. Finally, I refined my project management skills, particularly resource management and project planning. Since most of my work is project-based, this is incredibly important, and so I'm continually striving to improve these skills. This experience confirmed, narrowed, and strengthened my career plans and broadened my interest in school. I've wanted to work in manufacturing for a long time, and so it's confirmed my interest while narrowing my focus to the implementation side of manufacturing engineering. I also have new interests in school, particularly in the controls and electronics side of engineering, as it is a very powerful tool that will have huge effects in the future of manufacturing. In summary, I was given an opportunity to form a base for my career in manufacturing engineering this past semester, and I thrived in the environment. I'm very thankful for this opportunity and for the growth I saw in myself and the knowledge I gained. I'm looking forward to seeing exactly where this will take me in the future. I'm thankful for the co-op program at Charlotte making this possible.